Hello everyone, so here we back. We will discuss about artcam 2008, how to offset the vector. Now we will create one circle. I will make zoom in and I will click on offset vector tool. Here we repeat offset vector tool. I will give the number. I need offset 40 mm. I will give the 40. Then I will click offset. Now I make it offset. Now we will create one text, and this video also we can learn how to add text inside the circle or any vector. I make offset point, then I want this text inside of the circles. So how we can make, so we will in this video. And I select that inside circle and that's text. Now I want this text inside. I will click that tool and I want this inside. I can drag inside, and now also I can move it by cursor. They have baseline. Now I want it vertical. This is vertical. They have many options. As you like, you can choose. Now I choose this baseline. Here is it. This is only basic for the introduction of the tools. So for the another tools we will discuss another video.